Students, today we will start with a new lesson, that is areas related to circles. And in this lesson you will have to walk 3 steps with me. The first step is problems on basic concepts. Second step will be areas of sectors and segments of circle. And the third step will be areas of combinations of plane figures. Let us begin with the first topic, that is problems on basic concepts. So here is the first question, that if the perimeter of a protractor is 72 centimeter, calculate its area. This is a protractor and the perimeter of this protractor is given as 72 centimeter. Now let us see what is the perimeter. Perimeter means a total length of the boundary. So here, how will you find the total length of the boundary? It is a sum of the circumference of a semicircle plus diameter. This together gives you the total boundary, that is the perimeter of a protractor. And since the perimeter of the protractor is given and we have to find the area, the formula to find area of a semicircle is pi r square upon 2. So here we will require radius to find the area of this protractor, but the radius is not given to us. So first we will have to find the radius with the help of a perimeter. So first we will find the radius. So first write the given things. Given things are given, that is the perimeter of a protractor, that is equal to 72 centimeter. Now the perimeter, that is equal to circumference of semicircle plus diameter. So circumference of semicircle is pi r, circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and so of semicircle it will be pi r plus diameter is nothing but 2r, twice of the radius. So here perimeter is given as 72 centimeter. So 72 is equal to, here r is a common factor, so take it out as a common factor. So inside the bracket it will be pi plus 2. So 72 is equal to r into bracket 22 by 7 plus 2. So it will be 72 plus 72 is equal to r into bracket 22 plus 14 by 7. So 72 is equal to r into 22 plus 14, that will be 36 upon 7. Take 36 upon 7 to other side. So r is equal to 72 into 7 by 36. So 36 to the 72, therefore r is equal to 14 centimeter. So radius of this protractor we have got as 14 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this protractor. So area of protractor, that is equal to pi r square upon 2. So pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is 14 into 14 by 2. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 2 2 will get cancelled, which is equal to 22 into 14. So this can be further solved as, which is equal to 14 2s are 28, carry on 2, 14 2s are 28 and 2 30, so it will be 308 square centimeter. Therefore, the required area of a protractor is equal to 308 square centimeter. Here is the another question. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of two circles. Here the radius of one circle is given as 19 centimeter and the another circle is given as 9 centimeter, and we have to find the radius of the third circle whose circumference will be equal to the sum of the circumferences of the first circle and the second circle. So here is the first circle. Whose radius is given as 9 centimeter, and let us, it is denoted by R1. And this is the another circle whose radius is given as 19 centimeter and it is denoted by R2, and let the third circle is there whose radius be R. Then it is said that the circumference of this circle, that is 2 pi R1, and the circumference of this circle, that is 2 pi R2, the sum of these two circumferences is equal to the sum of the third circumference. So this plus this, that is equal to 2 pi r. This is the condition given to you, and you have to find the radius of this third circle. So first write the given things. Given radius of the first circle R1 is given as 9 centimeter. Radius of the second circle R2 is given as 19 centimeter, and let the radius of third circle, that is equal to R centimeter. So here by condition, 2 pi r circumference of the third circle, which is equal to circumference of the first circle 2 pi r1 plus circumference of the second circle, that is 2 pi r2. So 2 pi r, that is equal to, here 2 pi is a common factor, so take it out as a common factor. Inside the bracket it will be r1 plus r2. So here 2 will get cancelled, pi will get cancelled, and it will be r is equal to r1 plus r2. Now r1 and r2 are given as 9 centimeter and 19 centimeter. Therefore r is equal to 9 plus 19. Therefore r is equal to 28 centimeter. Therefore the radius of third circle, that is equal to 28 centimeter. Here is the another question. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively, find the radius of the circle having its area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Here it is given that the radius of one circle is 8 centimeter and the another is 6 centimeter, and we have to find the radius of the third circle whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. So here this is the first circle and the radius of this first circle is given as 6 centimeter. Let it be denoted as R1, and this is the another one whose radius is given as 8 centimeter. Let it be denoted as R2, and there is a third circle whose radius we have to find, and this radius we assume as capital R. Now here the areas of the triangles are compared. So the area of the first triangle will be given by pi r1 square. The area of the second will be given by pi r2 square, and the area of the third will be given by pi r square. And it is given that the sum of these areas is equal to the area of the third circle, and we have to find the radius. So first write the given things. Given radius of first circle, that is R1, is 6 centimeter, R2 is 8 centimeter, and let the radius of third circle, that is equal to capital R centimeter. So by condition, pi r square, that is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. So here pi will be a common factor. Take it out as a common factor. So it is pi r square, which is equal to pi into bracket r1 square plus r2 square. So here pi and pi will get cancelled, and this is r square, which is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. So r square, which is equal to r1 and r2 are given as 6 and 8, so it will be 6 square plus 8 square. So r square, that is equal to 6 square is 36 plus 8 square is 64. So this is equal to r square is equal to 100, and taking square root of both the sides, so we will get r is equal to 10. So radius of the third circle is 10 centimeter. Therefore the radius of third circle is equal to 10 centimeter. Here is the another question. Find the area of a quadrant of circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Here the circumference is given as 22 centimeter, and we have to find the area of the quadrant. So first see what is quadrant. Quadrant is a fourth part of a circle. Quadrant is a fourth part of a circle. So this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant, and this is the fifth quadrant. this angle is 90 degree. And since it is the fourth part of the quadrant, this is the fourth part of the circle, so its area can be given as area that is equal to 1/4 of the total area of the circle, and the area of circle is given by pi r square. So the area of the quadrant is equal to 1/4 pi r square, but here the circumference is given to us, radius is not given to us, and so first we will have to find the radius with the help of circumference. So let us start with given. So given circumference of a circle that is equal to 22 centimeter. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference is given as 22, so which is equal to 22 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r. This 22 and 22 will get cancelled, and therefore r is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. So the radius of this circle is given as 7 by 2. So radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Now we got the radius, and so we can find the area of the quadrant. So area of quadrant, that is equal to 1/4 of pi r square. So which is equal to 1/4 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 will get cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 11s are 22, so which is equal to 11 7s are 72 upon 4 2s are 8, and this is equal to 9.625 square centimeter. Therefore, the required area is equal to 9.625 square centimeter. Here is the another question. A horse is tied to a pole with 28 meter long string. Find the area where the horse can graze. Here the horse is tied to a pole with a rope of 28 meter long, and we have to find the area on which a horse can graze. So here a horse is tied to a 28 meter long rope, so the horse can move only in the area where the rope reaches. Horse cannot go outside the length of the rope because the horse is tied to a rope. So horse has some limitations, and therefore the locus of all these points will be nothing but a circle. It means the horse can graze only inside the circle and not outside the circle. So we have to find the area on which the horse can graze. It means we have to find the area of this circle, and the length of the rope is 28 meter. It means the radius is 28 meter. So here given things are given length of the rope, that is equal to 28 meter. It means radius is equal to 28 meter. Therefore, the area on which horse can graze, that is equal to pi r square, that is the area of the circle. So which is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 28 into r is 28, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, so which is equal to 22 into 4 into 28. So which is equal to 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 into 28. This is equal to 2464 square centimeter. Therefore, the required area on which horse can graze is equal to 2464 square centimeter. Here is the another question, the area of a sector that we have to find, whose radius is 6 centimeter and the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Here it is given that the radius is 6 centimeter and this angle is 60 degree, and we have to find the area of the sector. The area of the sector is the area that is formed by two radii and the arc. So this is the area of the sector and we have to find this area. This area is given by pi r square theta upon 360. So let us start with the given things. So given things are, given r, that is equal to 6 centimeter, theta is equal to 60 degrees, and we have to find area of sector. So here area of sector that is equal to pi r square theta upon 360. So which is equal to 22 by 7 into r is 6 into r is 6 into theta is 60 divided by 360. 0 will get cancelled, 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 36, 6 and 6 will get cancelled, so which is equal to 22 into 6 by 7. So which is equal to 22 into 6, 6 2s are 12, carry on 1, 6 2s are 12 and 113 upon 7, 132 upon 7, and 132 upon 7, that is equal to 18.86 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of sector, which is equal to 18.86 centimeter square.